Section 5.4 Interactive Assignment, Objective 1. For the month of March in a certain city, 27% of the days are cloudy. Also in the month of March in the same city, 19% of those days are cloudy and foggy. What is the probability that a randomly selected day in March will be foggy if it is cloudy? Okay, so first let's take a look here. We're going to designate that 27% of the days here are cloudy. Okay, and we know that 19% of the days are cloudy and foggy. And we want to know what is the probability that a randomly selected day in March will be foggy if it is cloudy. So we want to know, okay, what day in March will it be foggy if it is cloudy? Okay, now the probability that an event F occurs, given that the event E has occurred, is called a conditional probability. And it is written as the following. Okay, so when we take a look at this, we know that event E has occurred, which means what we have here, which it is cloudy. So E is the event which is known to have occurred, because 27% of those days we know that day is going to be cloudy. Okay, now F is the event for which the probability is sought, meaning the question. This is what we're looking for. The question asks us for the probability that the selected day is foggy. Okay, now if E and F are any two events, then the probability of event F occurring given the occurrence of event E is found by dividing the probability of E and F by the probability of E. So the probability of event E and F is the probability that a day is both cloudy and foggy. So the probability that an event E and F is the day that it is both cloudy and foggy. Therefore, the probability that a randomly selected day in March will be cloudy if it is foggy can be found below, because this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the question. Okay, so we know that, again, the probability that the day is cloudy and foggy is going to be in the numerator. That is the and probability. And the probability that the event had already occurred, well, we know the event had already occurred is the fact that 27% of those days is going to be cloudy. So what we're going to have to do is we need to convert 27% and 19% to a decimal. So that means that the probability that it is cloudy and foggy, again, represents our numerator, and a denominator is the probability that it is cloudy. So converting 19% to a decimal is 0.19. So we know that that represents the probability that it is cloudy and foggy. And then we're dividing it by the probability that the event has already occurred, that it is cloudy, and 27% as a decimal is 0.27. So taking 0.19 and dividing it by 0.27 gives us a decimal rounded to 3 decimal places, 0.704. So the probability is approximately 0.704. And let's go ahead and check our result. So if we take a look at our result, we will see that the answer is 0.704.